So hey there everyone, back again with another video, and in this video we are gonna learn something more in Flutter. Basically what we are gonna do is we are gonna learn about the swipe gestures. Okay, that is when we right swipe, in the list should be liked, and when we left swipe it should be deleted, and anything else like. Okay, we are just mainly focusing on the swipe features. Okay, when we right swipe it should do something, and when we left swipe it should do something. Okay, so basically this feature we have seen in our Gmail application. Okay, so Android Gmail application, when we right swipe or left swipe it just archives the mail. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just dive right. And yeah, first of all guys, mm, I am thinking that I should do a face cam video. So just tell me in the comment section below, do you want me to do a face cam video, or just you want the screen capturing video? Just tell me. Okay, and also just write down in the comment section what are the next video that you want me to make. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just dive right into our coding. Okay, so firstly we will import the material package, material package dot dart, come on, yeah. And after that we'll have a main, and this will call the run app. Okay, and after that we'll have a my app. Okay, this will be a stateless widget, yeah, and this state name will be my app. Okay, and this container will be changed to material app, because yeah, material app. Okay, and inside that we have a title will be swipe demo. Okay, and after that we will debug show checked banner as false. Okay, and now we will have a theme data, and theme data will have a primary swatch as colors dot red. Okay, and now what we will do, we'll have a home. Okay, home, let me give it a name as home. Okay, and now we will have a stateful widget. Okay, its name will be home. Okay, so this all is done, and now the container will be changed to scaffold, yeah. Okay, so let me just minimize these things. Okay, so in this scaffold we have a app bar. App bar has a title will be a text, and this will be swipe demo. Okay, and after that we'll have a center title as true. Okay, now we have a body. Okay, now the body will have something like list view, and after that it will have dot builder. Okay, and in this list view dot builder, what we'll have, we have item builder and item count. Okay, so what it will count, it will count some data. Okay, so the data will be something. Okay, so the data will be something like, let me just make a list. Okay, and this list will be of string. Okay, string. Okay, and let me give it a name as data. Okay, so it will have some data like this. I am giving just 10 element, and you can just put any amount of data that you want to put. Okay, so this is the data. In Flutter or in Dart you can just also minimize this thing by just typing like I am just showing you in the comment section, like data is equal to list, and this will be a string. Okay, and this will generate. Okay, let me give 10, and now it has a I. Okay, and now you will just have to give it like something like dollar and this, and here I plus 1. Okay, okay, yeah, this is done. Let me just is it showing any error? Yeah, it will be final, I think so. Yeah, it's done. Why it's showing us the error? Oh yeah, data is already defined. Yeah, let it be. So this done. Okay, so we are not worrying about these things. Okay, this is a way in which you can generate a list. Okay, so let us forget that. Okay, now we have to just count the data in it. Okay, so it will count the data dot length. Okay, in this item builder there will be a context, and here will be a index for I. Okay, now what we will do, we will have a string item. Okay, this will have a data index of I. Okay, now what we will return, we will return dismissible, because we want the data to be dismissed. Okay, and now we have a key, and in this key we will have the item. Okay, and now what we will do, we have a on dismissed, and this on dismissed function has a dismissible direction. Okay, sorry, is this, yeah, dismiss direction. Okay, let me give it a direction as dir. Okay, and now we will just set state to something like this dot data dot remove, not remove last, remove at, because we want the item to be removed. Okay, and now after that we will have a background will be container. Okay, and this will have a child will be icon, and it will be icons dot delete, and after that it will have a color will be colors dot red, and now we have a alignment would be alignment dot center left. Yeah, and after that we have a secondary background. Yeah, and let me just copy all these things here. Yeah, and this delete will be changed to thumbs up. Yeah, like, and this red will be changed to green. Okay, and this left will change to right. Okay, so this is done, and after that we have a child. This child will be a list style, because we want our data to be in a list format. Okay, and it will have a title, and title will be text, and in that text we will just pass the data at index I. Okay, so this is done, but yet this function will not work because we haven't yeah, no, it will work. Okay, it will work, but we want some of the things also, like let me just use some of the scaffold dot off, like I'm gonna use the snack bar. Okay, dot show snack bar. Okay, and in this show snack bar, okay, what we'll have, we have a snack bar. Yeah, and it will ask for some content will be the data. Okay, what it will have. Okay, so the content will be a text. Okay, and here what we will do, here we will set the text. If we right swipe, it will show something else. If we left swipe, it will show something else. Okay, so sorry, if so dir is double equal to, okay, dismiss direction start to end. Okay, it means that we are swiping from, if we are swiping right, okay, it it should display the text as item removed. Okay, and after that if we left swipe, it should show item like, yep, item liked. Okay, yeah, it is done. Okay, now we have a action, and in this action we will, what we will have, action bar. Okay, and the label will be undo, because if you go to the Gmail app, you see there is a undo thing. Okay, that if we click on that, it should remove that again, move that again. Okay, when we press on this, okay, it should again put the same thing at the same position. Okay, when we click on that, okay, it should just set state. Okay, and what it should do, it should just this dot data dot insert, and it should insert the data at I index, and the element should be what, element should be the item. It should be this item that we are just talking about. Okay, so I think so the data application is now ready. So let me just connect my laptop with my mobile phone. 1 second, guys. Okay, so as you all know that I always use the physical device, I don't use the emulator. Okay, so just 1 second, let me just connect it. Okay, yeah, my developer option is on, and let me just connect my phone. Okay, so you can see that my device has been connected. Okay, so let me see, is there any error? Let me just remove it. I don't think that there is any error. So 1 second, data, background, snackbar. Okay, so let me 1 sec. Yeah, so let us just run it. So you can see that the application has started building. Okay, so we will just wait for our app to build and let all the dependencies and other thing to be built. Okay, and after that we will just see our thing. Okay, so let us just wait. Okay, so if you like the video, guys, just give it a thumbs up, and just share with your friends, those who have interest in coding. Okay, so that they can also learn something from this app or from these videos. Okay, and the source code of this video will be uploaded in my GitHub repository. Make sure to go and like the GitHub repository. Okay, visit our GitHub repository, and there you will find all the code and all my previous works that I have done. And if you haven't watched my previous video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe. And guys, just visit our Facebook page. I have created a page for you all, guys, so that you can share all your work there. Okay, just play with these codes, make your own version, share all your codes in our Facebook page. Show us how you creatively you can think about. Okay, and just code and do anything. And now we will just cut the video, some part of the video, and we will just meet up after the app has been built. Okay, and it's now installing the APK in my phone. Okay, so let's just wait for few seconds so that it just install all APK in my phone, and after that it will sync the device and the laptop for the debugging processes and other things. Okay, so let us just wait for few seconds only so that it may sync the device. Okay, just for a few seconds. Yeah, you can see the white screen, and now it will just sync the device. 1 second bus. Yeah, okay, so you can see that we have a list. Okay, we have a app bar that show the swipe demo. Okay, and we have a list. Okay, there are 10 things. Okay, when we right swipe, okay, you can see that there is a red things. Okay, and when we left swipe, it shows a green bar. Okay, you can just relate it to your Gmail application. Okay, when we just fully right swipe it, it shows a item removed and undo. When we click on the undo, the F part comes back. Okay, see, F is removed, undo, it comes back. We like it, item liked, undo. Okay, so you can see that we can just manipulate these things. Okay, we can, let me just go to my Gmail application and show you how this is there. Okay, 1 second. Why my phone? Yeah, this is my Gmail. Let it open. Okay, yeah, you can see that. Okay, so this verify, when I just archived it, one archived, undo, and it will just come back. Okay, so I think that the main motive of this video, that for teaching you about these swipe gestures, I have done it. Okay, and in the next video I will definitely work on the next part of this video, or I will definitely make something new. Okay, so I don't know about the future, but I think I should work on this part only and make something more in the videos. Okay, in this gesture, and make a new video for you all guys. Okay, so hope you all like the video, and if you like the video, share with your friends, comment down in the section below. Okay, that's all for today guys. Thank you, have a nice day.